When you want to add text to your design in Inkscape, so what you do is you come here to your left ribbon and then you go down here where it says create and edit text objects, and then you click, and then if it's selected now, you just go where you want to place your text and then you click again, and you click there, and then from there now you'll be able to type in whatever that you want to type. And then you can also change the font. So for the font, you go up here where it says sans serif, and then you click on the drop down menu, and then from there now you see the different types of fonts that you can get. So let me just go down and select this one, and then you see that my text here is changed, my font is changed. And then you can also increase the font here where it says 30. Here you just come here and then you click font size, and then you choose the font size that you want. All right, and then from there now you can also use the arrow. Just come here, you click on the arrow, and then from there you'll be able to drag, and then you can resize to your specifications. And if this rectangle is not big enough, you can just click on it, and then you can also adjust your rectangle as well. So this is how to add and edit text in Inkscape.